Good afternoon and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing an inexpensive awning on the adventure van. I've been wanting to get an awning for quite a while, but I don't have a roof rack. As you can see, no roof rack. And I really don't want to put a roof rack on for one main reason: fuel mileage. We average about 14 to 14.2 miles to the gallon in the adventure van, and with gas being $5 a gallon, I sure don't want to have to pay, ooh, look at the gnats. I sure don't want to have to pay any more than I need to, or ruin the gas mileage that I already have. So I went on and I did a little bit of measuring, and I got a tarp approximately 10 by 8. And I got a nice heavy duty one, not one of these cheap, well, it is Chinesium, but it's a really thick tarp to hold up. So I got a tarp, I got some telescoping poles, and some guy wires. And here's my first iteration of what I did. Okay, so again from Amazon, that's where I got the tarp at. I bought these large suction cups, and I thought I could put the cordage through and wrap them around the eyelets and put them up on top of the van. And yeah, so they worked. It did. It really did. Seemed to hold really good for about a half an hour. And then they come unstuck. So I got up there. Well, I didn't get up there, but I reached up there and I got cleaned the top of the van really, really well and restuck them. And of course I also cleaned this too. They might have lasted 5 more minutes, but eventually they come unglued or unstuck. So that was number one. And you'll have to excuse the background noise because I'm next to the highway. So version 2, let me grab that for you. Version 2 is a large magnet, a heavy-duty magnet. Now, this particular magnet came off of a pizza delivery sign, and I'm sure you've all seen the signs that the delivery drivers have on top of their cars. They're held on with magnets, really strong ones. 4 on this particular sign that I got, and the rubber part is to keep the magnet from scratching or damaging the vehicle. So there, as you can see, there's a nice big rubbery type grommet. So I put a washer, and then I'll put the tarp, then another washer, and a nylon locking nut so it doesn't come undone. Now, as you can see, I've mounted the magnet to the tarp, and I've mounted 4 of them. Every other grommet, I've got a magnet. So I'll show you how I mount this. Let's take a look at that. Let's get this awning mounted up here. I'll show you how I do it. And please forgive the noise. Like I said, we're next to the highway. Right, there we have it. So I got these poles, again, from Amazon. They're just a 3-piece or a 2-piece telescopic pole with a nub on the end. And I'll show you. I've already had this up, so. Help prevent the tarp from going off. And there you have it. Easy, simple, cheap. I don't know if it's the perfect solution, but it's my solution. We've had rain and some mild wind, not real heavy wind, like tornadic winds. I doubt I would take it down. But we've had rain. I've lowered this end so the water comes off. It's really nice and shady. Provides the shade. It's easy up, easy down. I like it. I think it'll work for our application. So as you can see, it's raining right now and the water is running off. We just had, it was just downpouring a few seconds ago. Lovely thunder, lightning, and it seems to work. We had some wind when the storm first came in. We had some wind, and the tarp stayed perfect. So as you just saw, the rain coming down, thunder and lightning, the tarp held up really well. The rain came off the front side and the back side of the tarp. We had some good wind. I wouldn't call it hurricane force wind, but we had some wind associated with storms like that. And it, like I said, it really came down. It poured for about 10 or 15 minutes. I think it's a double win in that I don't have to have a roof rack and I can save the fuel mileage that I already have. Saves money both ways. It's a win-win situation. If you have any thoughts or suggestions, bleep them down there in the comment section. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, this is the Adventure Van signing out.